Hey, how's it going? I'm Seth Williams. I'm the founder of REtipster.com. Today I'm going to tell you about a small change you can make in your business that will put you far ahead of the pack. Sometimes it's easy to start feeling discouraged as you watch these other uber successful land investors showing off all their greatest deals and stories on social media. And if that's you, or maybe you're not even willing to admit it, but you know it's still you, I just want to level with you. I spent a lot of time struggling in my land business. I can tell you from experience, there are all kinds of opportunities to screw things up when you're just learning it for the first time. And even when you kind of do know what you're doing, but you're working in a new market or you're trying something new in your business, we all have the potential to make missteps and make huge mistakes. Believe me, I've encountered my share of headaches, and if you stick with any business long enough, you'll find that this is really just a normal part of finding your way. But the silver lining is there are some very important lessons in every disappointment. I want to share one of the most obvious problems that surprisingly everyone, including me, struggles with at one point or another. And the issue is spending your time on things that will directly result in you making money. I'm talking about things like direct mail, your marketing efforts, making offers, closing deals, listing properties for sale, and selling them. These are the things that are going to have a direct impact on putting dollars in your pocket, not designing your logo, creating a network of LLCs to hold properties you don't even own yet, building websites from scratch. A lot of this stuff is definitely useful to have at some point, but when you're just starting out and you don't have a whole lot of time or money and you need to see results and early wins quickly, these things are not going to get you there. There are so many opportunities to waste time in this business. And this is true of any business, really. There's so many ways to spin your wheels and burn your energy on things that are going to lead nowhere. Believe me, I have wasted my fair share of time on things that made me feel like I was doing something, but in reality, those things were getting me nowhere. And I can't speak for anyone else, but I think I would do this stuff because it felt good to be busy. And when I could build a website or a logo that looked cool, it made me feel like I had created something. And I sort of had, but it wasn't something that would actually result in me making money. I'm not saying there's never a time to pursue some of these value add things in your business, but especially in the beginning when you're looking for fast results so you can prove the concept to yourself, your number one priority needs to be doing your first deal and making your first buck. And this only happens when you get the mail out the door, get offers into people's hands, close on deals, and then get them sold. That's it. If you feel like you're constantly busy with stuff, but you're not regularly closing deals and making money, then you're wasting your time somewhere. Get strict with yourself. Go through your weekly schedule and start cutting things mercilessly until you've only allotted time for the things that are going to move the needle forward. And once you've started seeing some tangible, regular profits coming in, then you can start pursuing those other things that are value adds for your business. If you found this video helpful, I've actually got a lot of other ideas and helpful tips that can help move your land investing business forward and keep you ahead of the game. If you want to see another one, be sure to check out this next video. And before you go, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and like this video so other people can discover it in the future as well. Thanks for watching. Talk to you again soon.